About to bring the Daytona to the dealer to get the valves done. Right now I got a good running bike that works fine. I know this is a pretty big involved job, and I'm just scared that they're gonna mess my bike up. It's never gonna be the same again. Oh my God. Hopefully though, everything goes well. Well, we're picking her up today. So, first off, you notice anything missing? Fucking broke my mirror, man. I think they ran another bike into it by accident or something. I guess stuff like that happens, but man, this bike's been around a long time, and the mirrors have survived all these years. Just to come here and be smacked off by the dealer, dude. Service first dealer. It's all good. As long as it's running good, that's what I care about, this engine. Wow, she idles low now. That's weird. Hey. She idles way lower now. The vacuum hose had come off of the mass airflow sensor. God dang, man, I don't like not having that mirror, boy. Oh, my girl, I missed you. I'm gonna ride you to work tomorrow. It'd be awesome if I could find somebody in town who's got mirrors. I don't have proof of insurance on this bike either. I found out today. Not on me. Luckily I pulled it up on my phone, but I needed to get an inspection. I saw it the other day. I was walking past the table and I saw that little registration. You know, your registration's due mail from the state. And I was like, oh crap, let me pay that. And then when I went to pay it, you're not inspected. Oh shit, all right. So today, they called me and told me my bike was ready. I was like, ooh, can you inspect it while you're there? Yeah, bring your insurance. I was like, oh, I got that. And I didn't. Damn, this thing idles way lower now. Way lower. Can't check my mirror. You saw that? I went and looked for my mirror. They broke my mirror! That's how I should start the video. The motherfuckers broke my mirror, y'all! What the fuck? I'm just trying to live. She idles way low now. Crazy. You think she's all right? What do we think this is? Oh my God. Oh my God. Dude, it's fucking worse than I could have dreamed. I don't know what I thought. It would still be tapping or something, but it's worse. It's leaking oil everywhere. I noticed because I had oil all over my tire. It's so fucking hot right now too. I don't think they changed the valve cover gasket. It's that light. When you get sitting there, when you get stuck in that, oh God, dude. Running it, running it, running it, running it, running it, running it, running it. Oh, beautiful girl. Look at that, see the puddle. See the puddle. Dude, I don't know what the deal is, man. You can't even take your bike somewhere to get worked on. You can't do anything, dude. It just cost me $1,500 to have my mirror broken off and to spew oil all the way home. Because fuck, who even knows why? It's probably the cam cover, because he couldn't get it in there and he fucked the gasket up or something and just went ahead and put it on anyway, you know? Why does it take me as a customer, a guy who's supposed to not know shit, to drive off and find this myself? This is why I have anxiety, because everything you fucking go to do gets fucked because it's out of your control. Anything that's out of your control is gonna be fucked up. I knew it. I fucking knew it. And honestly, I was gonna take it out last night. My Daytona engine would be blown right now had I not noticed that fucking oil leaking. By the time I got back there, there was a puddle on the ground. These fucking GoPros are fucking up, so I couldn't tape any of it because they just kept rebooting. I have shitty fucking clips that just start and stop. Bro, I don't know, dude. I'm starting to get frustrated with this channel shit. Just the amount of work that goes into it with absolutely no payoff. I mean, none. And the fucking camera's fucking up, man. It's pushing me to just be like, fuck it, who cares, dude? I don't want to let you guys that subscribe and like me down, though. I love y'all, and I want to deliver for you. I want to do good. I said my piece on that, I guess. Fuck, dude, I'm just bummed, man. Guess we're going to work. Bummed out about that, too. It's Wednesday. Dealership ain't open on Monday, or probably I would have been picking it up Monday, but they're open on Tuesday, Wednesday, blah, 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 through Saturday. And I'm running super late for work. Dude, I don't know. I'm just fucking having one of them days, yo, where you're like, fuck the world. All right, this will be attempt number 2 to go get the Daytona. We got to get home, sneak in the garage so the dogs don't know we're home. Take an Uber up to Triumph and pray to God that this bike is right this time. The cam cover seal blew out in the rear is what they're saying, right? Okay, what the fuck does that mean? If you tighten the shit out of it, it's sitting in a groove. How does it blow out? My guess, they didn't change the damn thing. I even asked him beforehand. I was like, yo, they changed all the gaskets and stuff, right? Yep, all new gaskets. Okay. So we might not be done yet. There might still be another gasket or two they didn't change that we find out is leaking now. This bitch is on the phone. All right, she back. She back with no oil anywhere. She's still missing a mirror, though. Oh, my girl. All right, let's get out of here. Love this bike so much. And I hate that she got abused. I'm sorry, babe. Hopefully you're all right. Let's find out. Oh, he's right. Runs at about. Is she running about? Yeah, she was idling way lower than that before. All right, that thing's cool looking, man. It's small and fun. All right, let's get out of here. Not smoking or anything? Nope. All right. We ain't leaking oil, spewing coolant. You doing all right? Dang, bro. That was scary. We could have destroyed this engine, man. I am missing that mirror. I don't know how you guys ride without mirrors. I don't even know that it looks that cool. Like the cool points versus the safety points, that shit, the difference don't match. You know what I mean? Sounds good. Dude, if I get another 24,000 on this bad girl, it won't get no more miles out of that mirror though. That's for sure. I love this bike, dude. I love it. They got a 1250 in there for 20 grand. 20 grand. Bro. And they got my interest. Your boy is showing me his, and I was like, man, I can almost get with this. I like the Street Triple, but I don't want a bike that's got handlebars. I already got that. I want a bike with clip-ons. And honestly, I want fairings on my shit, dude. Because I don't want to get the shit beat out of me the whole time I'm riding. And so he's like, he's telling me to put a pipe on. He's like, you want to hear it? When I got there, he's like, you want to hear it? I was like, hell yeah, dude. We go over there, he starts it up. I'm like, damn, this bitch sounds good. And it's a 1250 triple, dude. Like, if you can imagine, bro, that thing probably rips. It's got a lot of technology, though. Digital boot up, all this bullshit down here. I don't like that. Because I don't trust it. I'm an old man. Ha! I'm like my dad. Them cars got computers in them. I don't want that shit. And that was like the 90s, bro. Them computers weren't even doing shit. They were just controlling spark. God, dude. Oh, come on. Come on! So I was like, how much do these things cost? Like 20? And he's like, yeah, exactly 20. And I was like, really? And I was like, yeah, but I bet they're hard to find. He's like, well, come with me. And he got one in there, dude. Right inside the door. He opened the door, he's like, yeah, I got one right here, boy. And I was, boy, that's a badass looking bike. Street Triple 1250 RR. And it's basically just this without the side fairings, but it's got this big ugly like one single round headlight. I don't like that. But damn, that bike looks slick from the side, boy. Woo! I'll put some pictures up. Well, so far so good on this girl. We ain't got her home yet. We were good till we got home yesterday. We'll know if the tire got oil all over it. All right, let's see if she's leaking oil again. I don't see nothing. I noticed light strobes out. Sorry. I don't see nothing. Looking good. That looks wet, but I think it's just gasket material. I don't know, it looks wet on it. Fucking up a good rag, I know that. I don't know, maybe I'm just seeing shit. Seeing shiny shit, getting nervous. What's the other side look like? Dry. Let's look up under here. Oh, dude, I think it's still fucking leaking. We're gonna have to take these fairings off tonight and clean the fuck out of them. Alright, that's about 1250. Cold start idle. So look, I don't want nobody to get it twisted when you watch this video. I got no problems with that dealership. I mean, I am upset about my mirror. Just because want it. Like, if they could just put another one on here right now, I'd be like, whatever, dude, I wouldn't even care. But the fact that I'm sitting here with no mirror and I use the fuck out. I mean, if you watch any of these videos yesterday or today, you'll see me looking for it and it ain't there. I use my mirrors, man. And that's a long time, dude. That's like a long time. We're talking like August or September before I got a mirror on this thing again. And then I go online and I'm trying to get a replacement real quick. And everybody who answers me back tries to scam me, you know? And they try to make it look legit, right? They got a picture of an old white man with a beard, you know? And, oh yeah, man, I got 2 of those at home. I'll text you when I get there. About an hour later, they text you some pictures that they got from eBay. And you already seen them. I was like, bro, I already seen this listing. And then the other guy, you know, the instant somebody says friends and family, they're fucking full of shit. Period. They're scamming you. Don't do it. Period. Don't do it. If somebody says friends and family, don't do it. No one is telling the truth online. Nobody, bro. So here I am with no mirror. If I could just find something that has a loop in it, I can run a screw through it and just hook it there. I don't even care what it is. Just anything. I was trying to figure out a way to put the FZ mirror on here, but they're like post style. They got like all thread, like style posts in them. And it doesn't fit in that hole I tried. It's a different size. Too big. Just need a mirror, man. But it's so far, I feel like they did a good job on the bike. It may be idling low, it may not be, I don't know. I tried to watch a bunch of videos of Daytonas idling on YouTube last night, see if they sounded like mine. I think that guy just waved sorry. Jesus Christ, that's choking. I don't want to speak too soon though. We're just gonna see how she does. Alright, I'm done. Chain shit, this all feels nice. That shit all looks dry. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Oh man, that was quite an experience. So you never even really got to see what was happening. It's leaking oil, right? This is what I saw that day when I was freaking out. My camera was locking up and messing up, so I couldn't get it and take time to. Both of them were doing it too, and I think it's just because it was 115 outside. So that was the problem right there. That whole there was oil all over the back there. It was coming all down the side, both sides, and it was running all back and hitting the tire. That's how I saw the wetness on the tire. It was all down in here. Oh my God, dude, I was so bummed out. I thought they ruined my bike. Holy piece of crap. Wow. Wow, carbon fiber. I guess. It's something. I don't think it's carbon fiber. Holy piece of shit. Oh, as rap. Holy rap.